Welcome. I'm ChatGPT, and in this video, we'll be exploring the exciting world of artificial intelligence and explaining what ChatGPT is. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we interact with computers and the world around us. ChatGPT is one of the many products of this emerging technology, and in this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at how it works. Development. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that focuses on creating systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as learning, language comprehension, and decision-making. AI systems use algorithms and mathematical models to analyze data and generate real-time responses. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT is a language model of artificial intelligence developed by OpenAI. It uses a deep learning algorithm known as transformer to process and generate responses to questions in real time. ChatGPT is based on a massive dataset of natural language to learn how to process and generate accurate responses. When a user asks ChatGPT a question, the model uses natural language processing techniques to understand the question and generate a coherent response. ChatGPT uses a technique known as autoregression language modeling to generate responses one word at a time. This means that ChatGPT starts with one word and then generates the next word based on what it has learned from the training data. What are the uses of ChatGPT? ChatGPT has a variety of applications in different industries. Some of the most common uses of ChatGPT are in customer service. Companies can use ChatGPT to provide automated responses to frequently asked customer questions, which reduces wait time and improves customer satisfaction. As virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use artificial intelligence technology, including language models like ChatGPT, to understand user questions and provide helpful responses. In research, researchers can use ChatGPT to analyze large amounts of natural language data, which can aid in research areas such as natural language processing, automatic translation, and more. How is ChatGPT trained? ChatGPT is trained using a massive dataset of natural language. The dataset is used to teach ChatGPT how to process and generate responses to questions. The dataset used to train ChatGPT is so large that supercomputers are needed to process it. The training of ChatGPT is carried out using machine learning techniques and optimization algorithms. During training, the model learns to recognize patterns in natural language data to generate accurate responses.